Okay, students, I hope by this time you all have completed your worksheet. Now let us discuss the answers. First sentence, that is, I hope to win the first prize. Tell me which one is the phrase part, that is, to win the first prize, because I, subject, hope, verb. So it cannot be phrase because it's having subject and verb. So to win the first prize, it reveals a sense, but the sense is not complete one. So obviously to win the first prize is obviously the phrase part. Now to win the first prize serves as an object of the verb hope. So obviously it is noun phrase. Now let's come to the next one. The girl in brown frock is my sister. Now the girl in brown frock, though there we get the subject, but verb we do not get. The girl in brown frock. I told there should not be subject verb combination. Okay, so here we find the girl in brown frock. So there is a sense, but the sense is not complete one. Now in this particular part, girl in brown frock means somehow we can specify the girl as she is wearing a brown frock. So it serves the purpose of an adjective, and we have come here to identify adjective phrase, and that is the girl in brown frock. It's obviously modifies the girl noun, so it is adjective phrase. Now let's come to number 3. Did you enjoy watching the movie? Watching the movie. Watching the movie is the object part of the verb enjoy. Means did you enjoy watching the movie? Now watching the movie serves as the object of the verb enjoy, so it's obviously noun phrase. Number 4. She always drives with care. Yes, here we can find out the way she drives. Yes, she drives with care. Means the manner of her driving. So when there is manner, means it's related to the verb. That is why it's adverb phrase. Okay, because it shows the way she drives a car. Now number 5. They were shouting in a loud voice. So again, in a loud voice is related to the verb shouting. Yes, that's why it is adverb phrase. Next one, number 6. The train stopped at Victoria Terminus. Where did the train stop? The answer is Victoria Terminus. So it again shows place. Yes, so it will be the train stopped at Victoria Terminus. If we ask the question, where did the train stop? The answer will be Victoria Terminus. It is related to a place, that's why it's adverb phrase. Now let's come to his father wished to speak to the headmaster. Now to speak to the headmaster is the object part of the verb wished. That's why it's a noun phrase. He denies number 8, he denies stealing the money. He denies stealing the money. Now again, object of the verb, that is stealing the money, which he denies, so it's noun phrase. Number 9 and 10. Yes, those who have gone through the study material properly, these two questions will bring a smile, yes, on their faces, because these two questions I have taken from study material in order to see whether you all have gone through the study material or not. Now see, she has been working all day. It's obviously verb phrase because main word is verb here, that is working, and has been helps to convey time of action, so it is verb phrase. Number 10. She has been working all day on her project. On her project is the object part of the verb working. So here along with the preposition on, so that's why it is prepositional phrase. So we have discussed today types of phrases. I have explained all 5 types, and I have given one worksheet also. which you all have solved. Now, up to this much today. In our next class, we will be discussing on the types of clauses. Till then, you need to go through the study materials properly. You need to do the worksheet again if you have made any mistakes anywhere, so that you can do it again and do the correction. Okay, do that. Stay fit. Keep on doing your works. Thank you.